Hey, it's Stukulele from Uke Mullum. Thanks for dropping by. The theme for this month's Uke Night is 80s. When I was a youngster, every Sunday at 6 o'clock we would watch Countdown. And the number one hit for 2 weeks in a row in 1980 was I Got You by Split Enz. It's the perfect song for me to show you how to do a palm mute using a pick on the ukulele. Check this out. Just before we begin, please subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to share this video with your friends, and you can support us on patreon.com/Uke Mullum. That's where you'll find the song sheet for this song. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got you. That's all I want. I won't forget, and that's a whole lot. I don't go out, not now that you're in. Sometimes we shout, but that's no problem. I don't know why sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes, you can tell me you're not lying. Look at you, you're a pageant. You're everything that I've imagined. When something's wrong, I feel uneasy. You show me, tell me you're not teasing. I don't know why sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes, you can tell that I'm not lying. I don't know why sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes, you can tell that I'm not lying. There's no doubt when I'm with you, when I'm without, I stay in my room. Where do you go? I get no answers. You're always out. It gets on my nerves. I don't know why sometimes I get frightened. You can see my eyes, you can tell that I'm not lying. Let's talk about how to hold a pick. So we're going to start off with your hand like so, and then I want you to close your fist softly and put the thumb on the second knuckle like so. So it looks a bit like that. Hello, how are you? Now we're going to take our pick like so, and we're going to put it in there. So there's that much showing on the tip. And then we're going to just scooch it on down so that you're actually controlling the pick by using your first knuckle and your thumb. There it is, wedged in there. And now when you're playing the ukulele, you want the pick to be flat on the strings like so. Like so. To do a palm mute, what we are doing is we're controlling the resonance of the string by using our right hand, which is holding the pick. So that means we're going to employ this part of our hand, the fleshy bit there, and it's going to go right onto the saddle. Not the bridge, the saddle. That's the bridge, Stu. That's the saddle. And we're going to plonk our hand, plonk, and then when you come with your pick, you get that lovely muted sound. I can control the resonance. And then if you move your hand back towards the end of the bridge, or even just lift it up away from the bridge, you can get this effect. Cool effect. I'll show you the chords for the song. The first one is D minor, which is like an F. First finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, fourth string, and then we take our third finger and plonk it, third string, second fret. D minor. From there, making sure that our thumb is placed behind the ukulele, not up here for this one. I often play like that. It's not really a good idea to develop habits like that, or at least you need to know that there's always the chance that you can put your thumb at the back. It gives you more room with your fingers. So we've gone from our D minor, now we're going to B flat. So we're going to flatten the first two strings with our first finger, and then move our second finger to the second fret of the third string, and our third finger to the third fret of the fourth string. B flat. So that change goes like this. Got the idea? Okay, the next one is, of course, the A chord. So we could take our B flat shape and move it down like so. Perfectly acceptable. I believe what I was doing was switching from that shape, the B flat, and sticking my first finger on the first fret of the third string and second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. So let's practice that. Great, and now we've got our G chord. Peace, man. First finger, second fret, third string, second finger, second fret, first string, third finger in the middle, third fret, second string. G. Then we have our D chord. I like to play my D chord like this. I'm using my first finger to mash the second fret of the fourth and the third string, and then I'm going to use my second finger on the second fret of the second string. The other way we can play a D chord is like so. You bar the second fret and then use your pinky on the fifth fret of the first string. Just tuck those fingers out of the way so you can see. There you go. You just slide it up 2 frets. Slightly out of tune, but there you have it. That's your E chord. Like so. E minor chord. First finger, second fret, first string. Second finger, third fret, second string. Third finger, fourth fret, third string. Like stairs. The trickiest change in this song is going from your E minor to the B minor. It's possibly the best way to navigate this one is by playing the E minor shape like this. So you move your third finger over to the fourth string and then put your pinky on the fourth fret of the third string. Now Now this shape is great because it can be moved. And it's also good in that this finger is in the right position for the B minor chord. So you just flatten and then get rid of those two. And practice and practice and practice until it's smooth. Takes a while, but once you have the muscle memory in your fingers, it's there forever. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, Uke Mullum is streaming live on the last Thursday of every month. So head on over to patreon.com/Uke Mullum, grab yourself the songbook, and come back here to the YouTube channel on Thursday the 30th of August. And we'll see you for a live stream. Thanks a lot. See you later.
There's a swirl in the sun and a swirl in the sky. There's a smile on the face of everybody passing by.